In just 5 minutes, you're going to learn English phrases that native speakers use every day.
Do you really speak English confidently? Let's find out right now. Did you know most people use 20 common English words incorrectly? After this video, you'll be able to speak 10 new sentences instantly. Are you ready?
After this video, you'll be able to speak 10 new sentences instantly. Are you ready?
Hey learners, today we're going to learn some fun and super useful English phrases.
Wanna walk?
Sure, let's go.
Wanna walk?
Sure, let's go.
Are you tired?
A bit, but I'm okay.
Are you tired?
A bit, but I'm okay.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, much better today.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, much better today.
Are you studying?
Yes, I have a test.
Are you studying?
Yes, I have a test.
Do you need help?
Maybe with one thing.
Do you need help?
Maybe with one thing.
Are you watching TV?
No, I'm reading.
Are you watching TV?
No, I'm reading.
Can you come here?
Yes, 1 minute.
Can you come here?
Yes, 1 minute.
Are you ready?
Almost, just a second.
Are you ready?
Almost, just a second.
Do you like this song?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Do you like this song?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Are you cold?
A little bit.
Are you cold?
A little bit.
Did you call your mom?
Yes, this morning.
Did you call your mom?
Yes, this morning.
Want some water?
Yes, please.
Want some water?
Yes, please.
Are you going now?
Yes, I have to.
Are you going now?
Yes, I have to.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I watch a lot.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I watch a lot.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, my friend.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, my friend.
Did you see my message?
Yes, I replied.
Did you see my message?
Yes, I replied.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better.
Want to eat something?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Want to eat something?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's nice.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's nice.
Are you coming tomorrow?
Yes, of course.
Are you coming tomorrow?
Yes, of course.
Did you finish your homework?
Almost done.
Did you finish your homework?
Almost done.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am.
Want to go out?
Sure, let's go.
Want to go out?
Sure, let's go.
Are you cooking?
Yes, dinner.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here.
Are you laughing?
Yes, you're funny.
Did you hear that?
Yes, what was it?
Are you serious?
Yes, very.
Want to watch a movie?
Yes, which one?
Did you clean your room?
Yes, finally.
Are you writing?
Yes, taking notes.
Do you like this place?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Are you going home?
Yes, soon.
Need anything?
No, I'm good.
Are you done?
Yes, finished.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, a lot.
Are you coming now?
Yes, on the way.
Did you drink water?
Not yet.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, very.
Want to study together?
Yes, that helps.
Are you okay?
Yes, don't worry.
Do you like cats?
Yes, they're cute.
Are you online?
Yes, I'm here.
Did you open the door?
Yes, it's unlocked.
Are you at home?
Yes, just arrived.
Want some juice?
Yes, thank you.
Are you busy tonight?
No, I'm free.
Do you like the weather?
Yes, it's perfect.
Are you working now?
Yes, still at work.
Did you see the news?
Yes, unbelievable.
Are you alone?
No, with friends.
Want to join us?
Sure, I'd love to.
Are you scared?
A little bit.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, my favorite.
Are you late?
Yes, traffic was bad.
Did you bring your book?
Yes, right here.
Are you still working?
Yes, almost done.
Want a break?
Yes, I need one.
Are you listening to music?
Yes, my playlist.
Did you talk to him?
Yes, we're fine.
Are you cold?
A little.
Want my jacket?
No, I'm okay.
Are you reading something?
Yes, a novel.
Do you want ice cream?
Yes, let's get some.
Are you free now?
Yes, I'm done.
Did you finish the project?
Almost there.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy.
Want to go shopping?
Yes, let's go.
Are you coming inside?
Yes, open the door.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do.
Are you joking?
No, I'm serious.
Did you cook?
Yes, lunch.
Are you outside?
Yes, waiting.
Want some help?
Yes, please.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, what's up?
Did you take your medicine?
Yes, I did.
Are you planning something?
Just thinking.
Want to practice English?
Yes, let's do it.
Are you comfortable there?
Yes, this seat is fine.
Did you pay the bill?
Yes, all done.
Are you leaving now?
Yes, I have to go.
Want me to come?
Sure, if you want.
Are you stressed?
A little bit.
Do you want advice?
Yes, please.
Are you excited?
Yes, super excited.
Did you check your email?
Yes, just now.
Are you waiting for me?
Yes, hurry up.
Want to play a game?
Yes, let's play.
Are you watching something?
Yes, a movie.
Did you buy it?
Yes, yesterday.
Are you doing homework?
Yes, finishing it.
Want to call later?
Yes, sure.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's leave.
Need anything?
No, I'm good.